Reconnect with nature. Welcome to Astoria, Palawan. Astoria, Palawan is an 8-hectare resort in the heart of the Philippines' final frontier, Puerto Princesa. The property is a bronze nod to the natural charm of Palawan. That is why you can expect nothing less than a perfect quiet escape away from the metropolis. This resort kisses the shores of the majestic Sulu Sea and is peaceful enclave of emerald virgin forest, grasslands, and mountain range. That is why guests can surely appreciate why Palawan is considered the most beautiful island in the world. Besides reconnecting with nature, you can also find fun, adventure, and good food in this slice of paradise. Welcome to Astoria. Late.
10.
10? Bago pa lang 10 agad.
Ay,
Hindi mo pa nga
nakapasok.
nakikita. Sa astig yung sinasakit. So, punta kami ng Mango.
Teachers na
Wala ko nakikita ang damo. Ang linis, diba? Yes. Linis. At mga kapitbahay na. Bosin ako ulit. Sandara Park. Mahal ko kaya. Hindi kasi naka-record.
Nakalabas sa lungga, di ba?
Wala kaming shoot ngayon. Today, meron pa tayong special guest. As you can see, kitang-kita, Karil na Karil. Let's welcome in the house, Karil Leganta. Yay! Hello, Palawan. Here the key card. Hanapin na lang namin here kung saan kami banda. Bye-bye. Mag-exit na kami. Hi, Rox! Any message?
Message?
Thank you so much, Astoria, Palawan, for accommodating our whole... Hindi pala whole.
Tagalog lang tayo, Tagalog lang.
Tagalog lang tayo. Kay Tagalog lang kayo.
Hindi pala lahat ng faculty, but most of us. Maraming salamat po.
Mahal ko kayo.
Mahal ko siya.
Saan yung the nest? Ito yung nest. O, yan yung
Mayonnaise.
Yung the nest. The two. The shoulder, the head. The nest. Astig, may washing machine ako nakikita, guys. This is the nest. Okay. Open. Hello. So, welcome to Astoria. So, welcome! Ito yung room namin for twin. Gusto ko naman tulog.
Dito ka. Halika.
Hi, everyone! Love it. We have here a remote control. Yan, meron tayong telepono health water. And this one. Yeah. Open sesame. And the water is so very clear. And welcome sa CR na kwarto na namin. Ayan. Pwede tayong mag-back here later. Gaano ka maka-cut din? 100 over 100. Look, guys. Nanonood pa rin siya hanggang dito sa Astoria ng cut din. Everyone, so we're here at Astoria, Palawan. Amazing place.
Chill.
Kakain kami sa labas. Sama kayo? Tara, sobrang galing na cameraman. Tumatakbo yan.
Yung pilot game.
For tonight are all on for tonight. This is the opening of this restaurant.
Singapore.
Mainit na pagkain. That's my favorite shrimp. Kain tayo, everyone. Okay, everyone, we're going home na po. Bye-bye, Astoria. Bye sa magandang kwarto na to.